Thank you for taking the time to view the exclusive CNC Junior tabletop milling machine engineered and manufactured by CNC Masters Incorporated in the USA. CNC Masters prides itself in offering high-quality CNC milling machines at competitive prices. Thousands of satisfied customers in the USA and around the world are enjoying the numerous uses of the CNC Junior milling machine. Because of its unique turnkey design, the CNC Junior Mill allows the novice user who is entering the world of CNC for the first time and the experienced user to quickly gain control and master the operating features of the CNC Junior Mill, saving the user valuable time. This is especially important if the user is under pressure to quickly prototype a part or has promised customers a quick turnaround, whether it be secondary operations, prototyping, or even mass producing a part for a client, with materials as soft as foam, wax, plastic, and wood, to as hard as aluminum and even titanium and steel. In just a matter of minutes, any user who is familiar with a PC mouse can quickly figure out how to use the CNC Junior Mill without on-site training. With travels such as 19 inches on the X, 7 inches on the Y, and 5 inches on the Z, the CNC Junior can meet several machining applications within those parameters. Unlike other CNC milling machines, the CNC Junior does not require any advanced technical setup of the controller and software. Overall, the CNC Junior is a robust, mid-size milling machine, automated system designed for the user who needs easy-to-use features and desires to design 2- or 3-dimensional applications immediately. You can jog your axes with the touch of your PC mouse, keyboard, or optional handheld remote control. You have feed control, relative control for exact driving distance of each axis, optional coolant control, and optional spindle speed control as well. The CNC Junior is a versatile machine with X and Y precision preloaded ball nuts with anti-backlash ball screws for precise machining of parts, detailed fine engraving with our engraving attachments, and has true 4th axis optional control as well. The CNC Junior can accept simple English commands for quick and easy toolpath programs, or if you are cutting complex parts such as these, the Junior can accept G-code files from popular CAD/CAM softwares as long as the user obtains the proper post-processors from them. In this demonstration, we are showing a complex acorn 3-dimensionally shaped part of a mold being machined from a G-code file generated from a popular CAD/CAM software. You will note the complexity of this design by its many circular patterns in the horizontal and vertical planes. Using aluminum, this part is machined in 3 separate programs, about 2.5 hours altogether. The first program is a roughing tool path using a 1/2-inch flat cutter. The second program requires a 1/4-inch flat cutter for a finish roughing, and the last program will complete and finish the part using a 1/4-inch ball cutter. But for the sake of time, we are phasing in and out to show you significant advances of all 3 programs as the CNC Junior machines the part, noting the accurate interpolation of its 3 axes. If you are interested in the CNC Junior Mill, we would love to earn your business. Please feel free to correspond with us at sales@cncmasters.com or call us on our toll-free number located on our website should you have any questions or would like to receive a quote. We know time is money, and our staff is committed to providing email or phone support in a timely manner should the need arise once you place an order with us. We aim to take our after-sales support just as seriously as trying to earn your business. Again, we thank you for taking the time to view the CNC Masters CNC Junior Mill, and we hope that we can meet your machining needs without breaking the bank.